Hi, welcome to Snippets on Climate Science with Rohini. What has the master of suspense, Alfred Hitchcock, got to do with climate science? Nobody is an exception to climate science. Alfred Hitchcock released his movie The Birds in 1963. And this movie, The Birds, is based on a true life incident that happened in 1961 in San Diego Bay Area. The birds just became disoriented, sort of crazy, and barged into the windows and smashed against the windows of houses in the Bay Area. It was quite terrifying. Not as terrifying as pictured in the movie, though. But what has this got to do with climate science? The similar incidents repeated in 1987 and 1991, wherein people and animals were involved, and then scientists started looking for the reasons, and they found that the birds that were disoriented and went crazy consumed shellfish, which is their normal food. But this shellfish was rich in domoic acid, a toxin, a neurotoxin. And this toxin came from the food of the shellfish, which was an algal bloom called pseudonecia. Now, how did this pseudonecia and the domoic acid get into the shellfish? Well, when there are natural warm cycles in the climate, the algal blooms come closer to the shore. The pseudonecia and the shellfish that must have consumed the algal blooms come closer to the shore, and they enter the food chain and start off a chain reaction. And this warming of the oceans more than the average surface temperature happens every 2 to 7 years in an event called El Nino. Thank you.